Hi, soldiers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. So we discussed various topic in this channel. If you want to explore what we discussed, please subscribe and check the videos to understand more what we discussed earlier. So today, little interesting topic. When the Yokohama version related discussion started, the main topic in the community, in the service now army, we are talking that agentic AI agent, etc. So today this session is going to support you to understand what is AI agent, how it is going to support you. If I want to enable this AI agent, what are all the area I need to focus? Those are all the things we are going to discuss in this session. I hope you will enjoy. So when I come to this AI agent studio, definitely plugin is pretty much important. uh, that means we need to subscribe this plugin so that we can enable this AI agent studio. Once you have enabled this AI agent studio, there are four options. You can see it: overview, create and manage, testing, and settings. These four, it will support you to run your AI agents successfully in your landscape. So before going to this, what is a prerequisite we need to understand when we need to use that AI agent studio? When you talk about this AI agent studio, there are two things are important. One is use case, and another one is a AI agent. What is that? What is use case? What is AI agent? Is there any dependency? So many questions it will raise when I explain this point, right? So to answer this query, yes, use case is pretty much important. Why? What is the reason? Is uh, you have a problem statement. That problem statement, based on the ticket, it should provide a solution. You take a common operational related activities. So in this case, this ticket is for a hardware issue or a software issue or any other issue, procurement issue or financial issue. What is that? We don't know. Only use case is, if the ticket is created, you need to solve the problem, solve the issue. That's all. Correct. But inside the logic, type of ticket, category of ticket, what type of solution we need to give, so many logic we need to build. Correct. Use case is very high level manner. Inside how it should perform, we are going to define that thing. It will help, it'll achievable through the AI agents. So one use case, minimum one AI agent or more than one AI agent is applicable here. Okay, that is a difference between this use case and AI agent. AI agent, it will be tagged in your use case. Based on the use case, it will work. Most of the time, customer will ask, one AI agent will perform the all activity. Answer no. But one use case, it will perform the all activity. Answer yes. Because that use case, you can define n number of AI agent and you can tag that n number of AI agent in one use case. That's the quick, crisp information. And next thing is, I can showcase a simple scenario. If you go create and manage, so here there are a use case and AI agents. You can see both. So we already discussed what is use case, what is AI agent. So some out of box related items always will be there. What product you are having, what product you are installing in your landscape. So that out of box items, it will support you to explore the things, how it is working, how it is functioning in the landscape. So I take one common item, generate change request. This is a use case. You can see it. I mean, use case. This is a AI agent. A number of AI agents are there. In this use case, I'm just opening the generate change request plan. In this generate change request plan, if I open, there are three options. You can see it: describe and connect, define trigger, select display. So in this three item, you see here in the use case side, you are providing the name, description, instruction. These are pretty straightforward. So you can easily understand what is that step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, what type of execution is going to happen in this use case. Everything it will be recorded in this instruction area. We call it as AA instruction. This is a name and description. It's a user defined name. So you can give what type of name you want to highlight, just add it. Little scroll down, this is pretty much important. Here you are creating a relationship with your use case and the AI agents. I'll repeat one more time. Here you are creating a relationship between use case and the AI agent. I already highlighted one use case, minimum one AI agent will be there, or more than n AI agent will be there. So that is a message. So if you have a more than one AI agent, first create a use case, and what are all the AI agents you have created, tag those AI agent with the help of this option, add AI agent. So you just add the agent, and this one use case, it will run these four agents based on the steps. Okay. So when we go to the AI agents, you will little confused, because here also three steps: describe and connect, define, trigger, select, display. And when you go to the AI agent also, you have seen the three types, but I will just clarify you how it is working. So these four items, it is defined in your AI agents itself. We will go and see what is that, and you can get a clarity. Next, describe and connect, clear. So you are describing this is a use case, and you are connecting, these are all the agents, simple. Next, when it should trigger, that conditions you are defining here. So here change request planner, it's a trigger name. If the change is updated or created from this change table, and these are all the condition is matching, then it will start your flow or start your execution. So once it is executed means with the help of these AI agents, once it is executed, then display the result, right? So display the result. Okay, so this is a pretty much important part. Once I have created this item, where I can test it as a developer, you can test it from here, but execution phase output, where you can see is, you can see from this area. So if you read this statement, display AI agent output in the now assist panel. So if you enable this toggle, then it will show the result directly here in this now assist. Okay, if you are not enabling, if you are not enabling that option, it will not show the result in the toggle. So simple, this now assist, it is getting a request from the requester. Once the request is received, then this use case will be executed based on the particular AI agents. Once the AI agents performed with the help of this triggering condition, finally it will show the result here. So input and output display is going to happen here, that is called now assist. Background related manipulations, script executions, flow execution, etc., it will happen in this AI agent studio, specifically in this AI agent portion. That's all. So I hope this give you a little clarity here. Next, this is for use case. Now I'm going to the same change test planner. Go to the same create and manage. In this create and manage, we already seen use case and AI agents. Now I'm going to the AI agents. Here I'm searching that particular name, what it is tagged into that use case. Yes. So if you open this is a AI agent, describe AI agent. Yes. So same, describe and instruct, same three steps what we have seen in the use case. A similar type of three steps available into the AI agent as well, but little different is that, like first one and third one is the same, but the second one is little different. Okay. So name, description, AI instruction, these three you have seen in your use case as well. So no difference. How AI agent should perform, what is the agent name, etc., you are defining here. Next, define availability, the same what you have seen in the use case. Execution is going to happen in this now assist panel toggle button. The main difference from the use case and the AI agent is this one: add tools and information. This is very very important part, because your AI agent is working, or AI agent is instructed by this option. What are all the options are there? So if you open, okay, 1 minute, I can duplicate it. This is an out of box one. Just come here, click add tools. Here you can see the more entries. So what are all the manipulations you are performing? Those all manipulation, it can be handled via these functionality: catalog item, conversational topic, flow action, now assist skill, record operation, script, search retrieval, subflow, web search. So these are all the things normally we will use. So specifically to do your testing, you take a two item. It is regularly used in your area: script and subflow, correct? So script, normally you can write the script, glide, record, pull the details, these that you will write the simple script. So based on the script you can define your code. So it define your output, correct? So script you can easily execute it, like get the 5 record count, 5 active incidents, or 5 change request incidents, something like that. You can define it and you can do the testing. And subflow, you already know, it's a low code no code development. You already using the flow designer. So inside the subflow you can call your action, or you can define the action, like print the statement, or should be something executed in the table side or on the outside integration side. That's the way you can define it. But here it's one of the subflow it is used. I'm just opening here: get details of change request. That means if you are giving one change request number, based on the change request number it will pull the change ticket. So first you can see here, this is a flow action, name, description, you know well. This is a flow action, it is already defined. That means what it should perform: go to your flow designer, there you can create a subflow and call that subflow here, that's all. So when you are performing this subflow, you need a input. This input, it is coming from your now assist, right? That's what we discussed. So now assist side, if I'm giving one ticket number, can you please resolve this ticket, or can you tell me what is the status of the ticket? So if I put this question and I'm just giving the ticket number, so here I'm taking an inputs: change underscore request underscore number. This is a user defined name. This request number I'm just getting from your now assist panel. Based on that I'm performing the manipulations inside that AI agent. Yeah. So this is a way it is working. So make it very simple here. When you talk about this item, AI agent studio, there are two items are there. One is a use case and another one is a AI agent. AI agent is dependent with your use case, because one use case is having a minimum one AI agent, or more than one AI agents will be there. And AI agent is a executor. That executor having these are all the functionality. Using this functionality you can write your code, or you can write your flow. Based on the flow you can see the result. And use case and AI agents both are having these three steps. First step and third step pretty similar in your use case and AI agent, but this second step is little different, because what it should perform, how it should perform, that definition is defined here. But this thing, it is not available in your use case. So I hope this information, it will support you to kickstart what is mean by AI agent studio. That idea you will get it. So next, testing side. So once you performed this activity, then you are going to do the testing whether it is working fine or not. That area it is supporting here. So based on the use case or AI agents, what you want to select, you just select it and give that request number. Just coming back here, Control V, and start the test. So once you have created that use case and mapping with the AI agent, you need to do the testing whether it is working fine or not. That testing portion, it will be executed in this testing area. Here you can give that appropriate input and do the checking whether it is working fine or not. If it is working fine successfully, then go back to that third approach and enable this toggle button to execute this item in the now assist. That's all. It'll automatically support you. So remember one point, this orchestrator, it's a great functionality forming in your AI agent studio. This orchestrator is a main area. So when you talk about this, I have highlighted 4 agents are there. These 4 agents are executing one by one, and finally it is showing a result. So when I give the change request number, based on the change request number, it is populating that information. Based on the populating information, it will execute one by one. So whenever it is executing, you can check here the logs. First orchestrator is executed. Second, 4 agents, it is executing one by one. First agent, it is executing ongoing. Remaining all are queued. So once it is executed, the next step will execute here. Third, fourth. So that's the way you can do and troubleshoot as a developer point of view. So once it is successfully completed, it is providing a right result, and you can publish this result with the help of Now Assist. Yeah. So this is a way it will work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for upcoming video to learn more about AI Agent Studio. Thanks for your time. Good day and goodbye.